The difference between a frustrating session and a productive one is almost always the prompt. This episode is the most important in the course. Learn to write specs the model can act on, and everything else gets easier. Treat the prompt like a tiny design doc. The clearer your spec, the closer the first draft will be to working code. You are not being verbose. You are removing ambiguity that would otherwise cost you a round trip. This is true 90% of the time. The other 10% is when the model still gets it wrong. And that is where the debugging episodes come in. Prompt: write a function to parse a date. That is it. The model has no idea what format, what to return, or how to handle bad input. It guesses, and the guess does not match what you actually wanted. Garbage in, plausible, garbage out. Prompt: write a function, parse_date, that takes a string in ISO format, like 2024-00115, and returns a date object, or none if the string is malformed. Same task, completely different result. The model now has inputs, outputs, and an error contract, so the code matches the spec on the first try. Memorize these three. Most of your day is either describing a new function, asking for a change to existing code, or asking the model to find a bug you cannot see. Each pattern has a different shape, and using the right one cuts your iteration count in half. With a good spec habit, you can stop fighting the model and start collaborating with it. Episode 4 is where we stop talking and start building the project that runs through the rest of the course.